Alright, y'all. Somebody told me it was free parking here, so every time I go somewhere, I have to take a picture. Want receipts just in case, you know, just in case you get a toll, get a ticket, and they say, do you want to fight it? You have proof? Yep, I want to fight it. Huh. Okay, guys, so I'm headed there. Such a pretty fall day. It smells so good. It's Germantown Avenue. Yo, I fell down the thing. I think this is the salon, y'all. So Erica, my stylist, she washed my hair, shampooed it 3 times, and then conditioned it, and then rinsed it all out. And I came in with my hair with a moisturizer in it, and I twisted it up and all that the night before because I don't like to have dry hair before I wash it.
I don't know what I know she do.
Thank you. Can we get a before and after picture too?
Yes.
Too much.
No, it's fine.
You don't need the light, Erica? They let you pull the camera up today.
Listen, you had to see her in the camera. She was like,
I was like, what?
She was like, do y'all see what they doing to my hair? I was freaking out. How much are we doing?
I just didn't want it all even. But I was splitting.
Well, you want to be part of the business that's probably not even shared. Okay, so even if we do cut it off even around, I need you not to, yeah, I need you not to cut it off because it's so choppy.
So what's your suggestion?
We can take off.
That's a good 3 inches.
We can take off the front. You want me to take a picture where her hand is?
Yeah, with
so
the
you
white
can see, because you need all this extra detail stuff.
So after I saw where she decided to cut, I gave her to go ahead to cut it. I initially thought that I was going to be cutting way more than what she cut here, but turns out there wasn't really a lot cut, and that's good. That means I've been taking care of my hair, and I have been cutting my hair and chopping it up. I think I did it about 2 or 3 months ago. I noticed my ends were raggedy, so I just cut it, and yeah, that's why I had to come here and get it evened out. So yeah, I definitely love the good job that Erica did. I don't have any split ends. Now I really do wish my hair would grow out at the same length, but the back of my hair always grows way faster than the rest of my hair. So in the next few videos you'll notice that the hair in the back, like down at the bottom, is really short as compared to the other hair on my head, and that's fine because that's the kind of cut I wanted, and I know it'll look nice when my hair is curly. So now I'm just going to show you guys my final result, and I'm also going to show you how I preserved my straight hair for about 2 days. Como está, Cintillero Quinto? Wow, guys, oh my goodness, I love it. I'm so happy. Subscribe, all that BS, and I'll see you guys in another video. So now I'm going to show you how I decided to preserve my straight hair. I only wore it straight for 2 days, and I'm showing you the before. Sorry, I just could not get with the straight hair. These are my nice blunt cut ends, and my hair actually looks nice to the side. So I'm going to take a nice medium flexi rod like the blue one, and I'm going to just roll up the ends of my hair and then roll up the rest of my hair like some kind of roll. Ignore the red ones, they were like beach wave type of wine curls, but I ended up taking those out because they didn't work well with the very blunt ends. This roller set really worked well. I put on my silk scarf and just laid it on top of my head, and my hair came out nice the next day. I only wear it like this for 2 more days, then I did some mini twists. Thumbs up this video if you loved it. Check out more hair videos on my channel, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.